Good morning students. Once again welcome you all in this English class. Students, today we will do lesson number 11, The Proposal by Anton Chekhov from your first flight book. Students, this is a drama. It will come to you in parts. First I will give you a little introduction of the lesson. The Proposal is one act play that begins with a young man, Lomov, presenting a marriage proposal to his neighbor's daughter. Before he could actually convey it to the girl, they enter into an argument about Oxen Meadows. Chukubov, the lady's father, also joins the heated discussion. After they end this, they enter into another argument about their dogs and which one is better than the other. In the midst of all this, proposal gets forgotten until Lomo falls off due to his palpitation and Chocobov instantly puts her daughter's hands in Lomov's. Unfortunately, the quarreling still continues. So students, first I will make you familiar with the characters of the drama. The play was originally titled A Marriage Proposal, written by Russian writer Anton Chekhov. He displays how the rich want to marry their children into other wealthy families with the aim of enhancing their wealth. The characters are quarrelsome and often end up fighting over trivial matters. Still, they remember the marriage proposal which will bestow monetary gains and finalize the wedding amidst the fighting. So students, first I am making you familiar with the characters. Chukubov, a landlord or landowner. Natalia Stepanova, his daughter, 25 years old. Ivan Vasil Lomov, a neighbor of Chukubov, a large and healthy but very suspicious landlord. Now the drama has been started with the drawing room scene. The curtain rises in Chocobov's drawing room, where Lomov enters fully dressed up in his evening attire. Chocobov stands up to greet him. Chocobov welcomes his neighbor Ivan Vasilievich very politely and asks about his well-being. While shaking hands, he also asks Lomov the reason for his visit. While thanking Chukubov for asking about his well-being, Lomov asks him about his conditions. Chukubov replies by saying that they somehow managed to survive peacefully with blessings of people like Lomov himself. He asks himself to sit down and be comfortable. Surprised by his formal evening attire, he questions the occasion. Chukubov was a very polite way, has a very polite way of talking, and thus he often refers to Lomov as my angel, my treasure, etc. Lomov replies by saying that there is no special occasion, that he had just come to see the revered Stepan Stepanovich. Still curious, Chukubov asked him the reason behind Lomov's outfit because to him it seems as if Lomov is paying them a New Year Eve's visit. With all due respect, Lomov grabs Chubukov's arm and conveys his intention of troubling him with a request. With all the gratitude, Lomov mentions the times when Chukubov has helped him and he continues talking he starts getting excited. To calm himself, he drinks water. Chukobov assumes that Lomov had come to ask for money, which he is in no intention of giving to him. He then asks him the matter of concern. Tremendously excited and nervous, Lomov could not even speak properly, to extent that he was unable to get Chukukov's name right. He begs Chubukov's pardon for his clearly visible excitement. Lomov tells him that he is the only person who could help him in the situation, although he does not deserve it and has no right to ask for it. Chukobov did not understand what Lomov was referring to and thus he told him to talk directly. Lomov finally speaks up only to confess that he had come to ask for his daughter's hand in marriage. So students, one part we have completed of this drama. Rest will be completed in other parts. So listen it carefully, go through with the lesson, read it about the characters and all. Then next explanation will be in the next content. God bless you. Thank you.